Now today I want to share a quick and simple way to reduce worrying, anxietying, doubting, all that stuff that is really uncomfortable, because worrying and anxiety doesn't feel great. Now, I want you to really think about this as I share it, because there's other ways that you can use this in your life. Now, when an archer is holding their bow and arrow and they're shooting at a target, their whole vision is focused on the target, so their body is in high alert. That's because they're in foveal vision. So when we're in foveal vision, when we're focused on one thing, whether it's a target or fixated or ruminating on worrying about something, you're going over and over and over again. Your body's in stress and you're on hyper alert. So your nervous system is activated, ready for fight, flight, or freeze. And when you think about it, if you are shooting at a target or doing any sport with laser precision, you've got to be on high alert to perform well. However, we can't be in that mode all the time. So the next thing to do is this. I want you to practice this. When you are worrying about something, just give it a go now. Focus all your attention on one spot, and you'll find it's really easy to get into the worry. Now, as you focus your attention on a spot in front of you, I want you now to hold your hands either side of your eyes and just move them backwards and forwards a bit until the very edge of your periphery, so you can take your awareness all the way as far out as you can. Now, your vision is now in expanded awareness or peripheral vision. And I want you to think about that thing that you're worrying or anxietying over. You will not be able to get in touch with it at that same level when you are in expanded awareness. It's been proven by research and science, neuroscience in particular. So if you think about it, when you're out in nature, you're more relaxed. When you're standing on a mountain overlooking a beautiful view, how do you feel? You're generally much more relaxed, at peace, and much more connected with the essence of you at the level of the heart. So you can use this on an everyday basis to help yourself dissolve some of your worrying. So use this when you're ever stressed, worried, anxiety. Just stop, look at a point in front of you, and then take your awareness into the expanded awareness. And it will help you lessen your anxiety, lessen your worrying. And furthermore, if you do it for a few minutes and you breathe consciously, remember the breathing will help your nervous system relax as well. If you do it focusedly for a couple of minutes, your heart will become coherent, and when your heart is coherent, your brain becomes coherent, and you'll have the space to think more clearly and take a better action next step. So I hope that was helpful, and make sure that you use this and see how perhaps in your day, just stepping out into nature, to go outside or into your garden or somewhere, taking a few breaths and looking at everything all around you will calm you down. It's something you possibly do already, but perhaps you haven't actually specifically thought of how it helps your nervous system relax and you to get more connected with yourself, to become more peaceful and more calm. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you've got any questions, simply reach out. Thank you. Bye for now.